Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zangi Muemi from codebuild.co.ke. In this video, I want to share a quick tip, and the tip is about selecting a computer for running CAD software. Now let's say you have gone to the shop and you want to buy a new computer and you want to use that computer for your designs. Let's say you want to install a program such as ARCHICAD. Now if you look at the software descriptions, there is usually some computer system requirements which they are the basic requirements that your computer needs to meet for you to be able to install and run the software and use it efficiently. So the first thing that you should check is the system properties, and I want us to go to the start bar, or rather the start button, by clicking on this icon, or rather you can choose to use your Windows button in the keyboard, and there is a search space down there, and let us search about system, and there is a search result that appears under control panel, the first one, which is system. Click on that, and what that does is it opens a window that gives us the basic information about our computer. So this is the first thing that I will recommend you to check, and we can be able to see the Windows edition that is running in the computer, and the system ratings, the type of the processor, the capacity for the installed memory, that is random access memory, or system type, and all this other information that is available here. So basically this gives you some of important information that you will be using, or you will use to make a decision as to whether that type of computer is the best for whatever function that you want to use it for. The next thing that I want us to do is check for the graphics card, or the type of the graphics driver that is installed in our computer, which is a very important component that is used by your software. In this video I will use an example of ARCHICAD. Like when you are designing in 3D and doing the renderings, ARCHICAD will require to use the graphics card to produce very nice 3Ds and images. So let's go back to desktop, and right click and choose screen resolution. When that opens, go to advanced settings down here, and advanced settings is going to show you the type of graphics drivers that are running on your computer. In this case we are having Intel HD graphics. So there is a button written properties. I want us to click on that, and make sure that adapter is selected. Then click on properties, and then choose driver. Here you can see that the driver that is running in our computer, the provider, other driver details. If you come down here, you can be able to choose driver details, and all this information will be displayed to you. You will be able to know the type of driver that is running in your computer, the file version, and all this. And this information will be helpful for you to be able to know whether the laptop, or rather the desktop that you are having, is the right one for the software. That is it. That is the end of our video. I hope you've learned something. I invite you to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.